Hey guys, it's me again, and today we're showing Video 125 DVDs. HST West and HST Far West, narrated by Anton Rogers. Sky Train, narrated by Paul Collier. The Cambrian Coast, narrated by David Hywell. 1066 DC, narrated by Peter Egan. Chilton Take 2, narrated by Philip Hayton. Metropolitan and District, narrated by Rob Curling. The Far North. Cornish Branches. Central Line, 2 versions. HST Great West. The West Highland. Wessex, narrated by Fred Dinenage. Cross City, narrated by Kay Alexander. Metropolitan Main Line. The Cumbrian Coast, narrated by Chris Denning. The Royal Scots. The Northern Lights. Intercity Norwich. Connix Express. Norfolk Branches, narrated by Mike Smee. The Northern Line. Flying Scotsman. Midland Main Line, narrated by David McEwen. Transpennine Express, narrated by Jeff Druitt. The Jubilee Line. Highland Main Line, narrated by Sally Magnuson. The Downfish Guard, narrated by Richard Barth. Settle and Carlisle. Piccadilly Line. The Uckfield Thumper. East London and District. The Golden Valley, narrated by Alan Hardick. Aberdeen to Inverness. The North London Line. Bakerloon City. East Coastway and Marshlinck, narrated by Jonathan Kidd. Victoria Line. C2C. The Isle of Wight. And Hammersmith and Circle. And that's it for now, so I'll see you then.